Hey folks, it's Andy here with William Chitauro in Chiriseri Village. I'm just wondering if William might like to tell you what we've been working on today.
Yeah, today we've been recording many songs, 3 parts in each. It was interesting anyway. I know sometime you will come back, but this is a good place anyway. Anybody who wants can visit. I'm free here. It is free for any person who wants to come, just to come. You can join Andy.
It was a long road and it's been raining, so this isn't the best time to come, but it's the most magical. Like, we went around some curvy roads and the landscape opened up with like hills in a different distance. It reminded me of the sort of tea plantations in South India. Yeah, it's beautiful here, really, really incredible. There's a couple of extra things that we did today as well. We did an interview.
Yes, an interview. We did an interview telling about the spiritual and what we play Mbira for. You see everything. We have been explaining about it. It was a good day anyway.
Yeah, I really appreciate the time and the attention that you gave to us today.
Yes.
And I'll be publishing everything on Mbira online. Thanks very much, everybody.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.
Bye.